In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Paperclip AI dashboard. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate through the setup process effectively. Begin by locating the taskbar on your computer. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on the search field, which may be represented by a magnifying glass icon. After clicking the search field, type in key D and press the enter key. This action will open the command prompt window, a black interface where you can input commands. In the command prompt, type Paperclip AI run and hit enter again. This command initiates the Paperclip AI application. You may need to wait a moment as the application loads, which could take longer depending on your system's performance. Once Paperclip AI has loaded, you will see a confirmation message in the command prompt. At this stage, copy the URL displayed, which is http://127.0.310.... This URL is crucial for accessing the dashboard. Next, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser window to prepare for entering the URL. Type in the copied URL, http://127.0.1/310 and press enter. After a brief moment, the Paperclip AI dashboard should appear on your screen. Now that the dashboard is open, look for an option labeled Create Issue. Click on this button, which allows you to start a new task or report an issue. After this, you will see a prompt to close any pop-up windows. Click on the Times icon to dismiss them and return to the main dashboard. From the main interface, locate and click on the dashboard option. This will take you to the overview of your current projects and tasks. Next, select the Gents tab. This section provides insights into your agents and their performance metrics. Following that, click on the Inbox tab to view messages or notifications related to your tasks and projects. Then navigate to the Work section. This area allows you to manage ongoing tasks and assignments. Afterward, click on the Issues tab to review any current issues that need your attention. Next, select the Routines option. This section helps you keep track of your regular tasks and schedules. Continue by clicking on the Goals tab, where you can set and monitor your objectives. Then navigate to the Projects section. This area is dedicated to managing various projects you are working on. After that, go back to the Agents tab to revisit the performance metrics of your agents. Again, click on the Agents option to ensure you are reviewing all relevant data. Next, locate and click on the CEO option. This will provide insights specific to your company's leadership metrics. Finally, click on the Company option to access detailed information about your organization, such as statistics and performance indicators. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.